Edmund Burke, an Irish statesman, said, "All it takes for evil to flourish is good men and women to do nothing." This morning, the good people decided to speak boldly and loudly. Through the initiative of the Knights of Columbus, in response to the call of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, this Walk for Life is the voice of the good people denouncing the evil of anti-life philosophy. What we are having here right now is also simultaneously being done in Cebu, Haro, Iloilo, Tacloban, Davao, Baguio, Tuguegarao, Cabanatuan, and Tabuk. The purpose of this Walk for Life is to make the people aware of Republic Act 5043, known as the Reproductive Health Bill, which is now in its third reading at the House of Representatives. Through this rally, we hope to raise the awareness of people on the negative consequences of the bill to the family, the basic unit of society. Walk for Life. In scriptures, the word walk does not only mean to do a physical act of moving your feet to go to another place. Walk has a deeper meaning. To walk is to make a choice, either to take the path of God, the path of righteousness, or to take the path of the wicked. People who live their lives without taking into consideration what God wills, what God desires for His people. And they just rely on their wisdom. The path of the righteous will lead to freedom, joy, peace, and true happiness, whereas the path of the foolish will lead to chaos and death. Carl Sandburg, an American writer and editor, once said, "A baby is God's opinion that the world should go on." Sad to say, however, there are some people who would like to oppose God's opinion. Babies are not burdens or obstacles to economic stability. Rabindranath Tagore said, "Babies are sign that God still has hope in humankind." If God has hope for us, we too should see life with the same hope. I would like to conclude with a story. An ex-convict recently returned from 4 years in prison, addressed an assembly of students about not ending up where he had. While his stories were predictable, like violence, boredom, loneliness, he made one point that was not expected. He described prison as the world without children. He described what it's like to go 4 years without seeing a child or anything belonging to a child. Inside the prison, he never saw a toy. He never heard little girls squeal of delight. or little boys' laughter. We may not be behind bars, my dear brothers and sisters, but to live in a community where there are no children, it's perhaps like living inside the prison. Let the good people speak now. Let us say no to our age bill. Let us all say yes to life. Again, yes to life. Everybody, yes to life. Buhay po ang KC. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon.